This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Attila Kovacs. Step into your cozy home sweet home, located just minutes away from the Westfield Brandon Town Center Mall. This single-family home offers a closed-off floor plan with 4 bedrooms and 2 baths, including a private master suite in the main living area on the first floor, renovated porcelain tile floors, a stainless steel stove, microwave, dishwasher, and more. Before the entrance of the home is a small area, where garden lovers can plant beautiful flowers in front of a spacious covered front porch. As you walk in, you enter the living area that also features a polished wooden staircase which leads to the extra 3 bedrooms and 1 bath. Straight ahead from the living room, you are met with a dining area and kitchen. Prepare to create beautiful memories with your loved ones in the enclosed and air-conditioned Florida room through the sliding doors off the kitchen. This 19 by 14 permitted addition to the house, 2006, is not included in the home's listed square footage. And stepping outside of this enclosed room, there is a 20 by 14 paved area for your outdoor entertainment, parties, barbecue, dinners. For a 3D walkthrough of the home, please click on Virtual Tour 1 under the photos. Please schedule your private tour. Thank you. For more information, review the details below or contact Attila Kovacs at 813-244-3395.